everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is not a yarn video necessarily. If you remember way back at the beginning of the year, my friend Laura from Mimi's Crochet and Farming started this let's do a wacky make-a-do holiday thing. So for all the wacky holidays that we have here in the States, every day has like 6 different things that are wacky holidays, like National Pancake Day or something like that. Well, today is National Elephant Day. So, as celebration of elephants, since I like elephants, I have put together a little video of the elephants in my house, or at least a lot of them. And so that's what my video today is about. I'm going to still call it Charm Chatter because Laura's a yarn person and I don't know. Anyway, I think it's Charm Chatter 340. I know I said that yesterday, but I was wrong. It was 339. Today is 340. And so if you just stay tuned, you can see a lot of the elephants I have. If you don't want to, that's completely fine too. And I'll see you in a video tomorrow. Otherwise, stick around it's a short video, but stick around and I'll go through some of the elephants I have in my house. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So this is in my bedroom. I have these hangy things. This guy's swinging from the ceiling. And there's a necklace. Where's the end of it? There it is. Isn't that a cute picture? I wish I was that little kid. Some of these photographs I actually took at our local zoo. Not that one. But that one up there. And that one. And that one. Came from the zoo. I got all these. And I have this. And up here. And some of these pictures came from this is my elephant watch. These pictures came from my local zoo. And here's my table next to my bed. Then we have this. And I have this. And this mirror with the elephants. I don't know, can you see them? There you go. And there's elephants up here. And here, and here, and here. Now, the yarn room only has a couple elephants. There. On my apron from Madonna. And I have these. There, it's dark in the hallway. Roy had made these for me. Here, and here's the other one. And this big one my son got me when he was in high school. Then I have a couple of elephants down here in the landing. Another elephant photograph. It's a large one. There's an elephant there. And there's an elephant hanger there. Of course, I have this huge elephant that is on this wall. And there's a couple of elephants along here. There's a couple. And there's some more. This one lights up. Oh, can't forget that one. Then there's that big one up there. Got that one in Florida. Then there's a few along here. Oh. And I have a few stuffed ones over here. And over here. Then we have my candy dish and my watering can. And in my curio, there's a bunch of other stuff, but there's a bunch of elephants in there as well. And all down here. And you can see some in this direction. And then finally I have that big guy. Takes up the wall. So that is my elephant collection.